In this video, I'm going to go and show you how you can get a lot of followers on TikTok using this simple trick. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple trick, guys, that you can use to go ahead and you can gain a couple of extra followers on TikTok and really boost your account. So the first thing you want to do is come over to the search bar, and then go ahead and search for some popular TikTok creators. So Charli D'Amelio, for example, here. Go over to Charli's account, go ahead and click on follow. And then what you want to go ahead and do is literally follow about 20 accounts. So if you go ahead and follow around 20 accounts, I'm not counting here, so I'll go ahead and I'll follow a couple more. What you want to go ahead and do once you're satisfied with the amount of accounts that you followed is go ahead and go back to your account. So if you go to your account, go to your profile and go to your followings tab, all you need to go ahead and do is literally go ahead and go down and unfollow all the accounts that you've just gone ahead and followed. And then obviously make sure you're keeping it within like a couple of seconds before following them back. And then once you go ahead and work your way down your list, so if you go ahead and get to the bottom, so let's say I'm at the bottom now, all you need to go and do is literally start again at the top, go down and follow them. Do this for around 5 minutes or so, and then what you will see is you will see that people do start following you. So if I go ahead and I go back to my account now, guys, and if I go to my inbox and just show you my notifications, and we'll see if anyone's followed from this method. So if I go to my notifications and I go ahead and refresh, as you can see, I've got around 5 to 10 new followers in the past like 10-15 minutes or so. So that's proof that this method does work, guys. It's super simple to do. So make sure you go ahead and try this out for yourself. So if this video did help you out, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.